Now that we have that power steering pump out of the way, I don't want to go throwing up the covers and whatnot until I get this front end rattle fixed. On both sides, the sway bar links, stabilizer links, whatever you like to call them, are actually totally loose. Why is my question. I was told they were replaced. I have a 3/16 Allen wrench, 18 millimeter wrench. So what we're gonna see is if we could hold the center, like so, and turn that nut. Oh, we can. Okay, so the nut is loose. I bet your threads are screwed. I'm gonna try tightening it up a little bit, just to see if it tightens up. Wow. Oh man, what do I do now? Is it that someone put them on and just didn't tighten them enough? Or didn't have a wrench to hold the center? Do I just put new ones on it and be done? I think it sucks. They're like $50 a piece. There's really nothing wrong with the joints on these. They feel good. It's just almost like they came loose. I hate the replacement if they're not bad, you know? And you can tell by the looks of them, they have been replaced. Well, if I gotta think about it this long, let me see if I get as lucky on the bottom here. Unfortunately, I tried doing the same thing on the bottom and it's rounded off. So what I gotta do is put a pair of vice grips on it like so, which is gonna tear the boot. So she's being replaced. And look how loose these are. The threads are probably screwed anyway. So yeah, the threads are all beat up. So that tolerance is gonna be sloppy to say the least. So we're gonna take and throw a new set in there and be done with it. So I'm not even gonna bother with the Allen wrench. We're gonna just throw a pair of vice grips on the top as well. Let's see if that's enough. There you have it. Brand new set. See, they fit a lot better. These are like a top lock style nut as well, which I like. You can see what happens. Most likely what happened. If I tried spinning them in, most likely it's going to turn the joint. Let me give it a shot. So it's not tightening up. So you need an Allen wrench and a regular wrench. So if they didn't have the proper wrenches when they did the job, they never got it tight enough, and that's why they were rounded out. So this set actually takes a 6 millimeter ratchet wrench. Would be handy right now. I'm taking tightenings right down tight. Trying to find the best way to put this on. Maybe I'll just use the open end. I like these ones better because of the way it uses a top lock style nut. I'm not too concerned about them coming loose. Put the box end on it for a moment. All right. I'm gonna jump over to the other side, repeat the same process, get this thing out of here. But as you can see, this side's solid now. You can still hear the other side rattling, but this side is golden. This is a quick shot. Same old routine. All right, driver's side's complete. As you can see, we got no more noises in the front end. Seems pretty solid. I had to be rattling something awful before, but I think we're good now. We put he wants an oil change. The cover wasn't in the way of doing an oil change, right? I don't believe so. Alright guys, we're just gonna slap this cover back up. It's got those two 10mm titanium bolts. Pretty straightforward. Right here, it's missing one. That's all we had. Right, they had a zip tie in here before, so I might as well follow their lead. I gotta get some little plastic retainers for jobs like this. However, that's good enough. I'm gonna take and change the oil while we're at it. So it looks like 14mm is gonna do the trick. Let me see that for a moment. Make sure that stays underneath. I need an oil caddy. You want to get me that for Christmas? Yes. Oh, no, Christmas is too far away.
Father's Day.
Yeah, give me that for Father's Day. You just always want to make sure your gasket's off. Whenever a filter is facing vertical, I don't mind filling it and putting a little bit of oil around the seal. I just put it on there, get it to where it's snug, and then just a little turn. That should be good. Make sure the seal's good on there as well. Are you paying attention? Because you could do the next one, right?
Yeah.
Alright, you don't want to kill it. Yeah. All that does is either break the seal or strip the plug or the pan. Definitely don't want to forget to put the oil on it. That'd be a very bad day. 530. 5-quart.
Yeah.
Let's hold up there. That's a noisy solenoid. You hear it?
Yeah.
Feels good. I'm gonna take it for a spin.